Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Group 4 will present about the roles and function of Board of Director. Before we continue to the content of our slide, I would like to thanking our beloved lecturer Puan Noriana binti Abdul Rahim for giving us the opportunity to present our slide. First of all, I would like to introduce myself and my group member. Our group consists of 4 people, which is myself, Muhammad Yusri bin Ahmad Tarmizi, matric number 10DIB 18F 1007. Second, Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Hairul Anwar, matric number 10DIB 18F 1005. Third member of our group is Megat Muhammad Irfan bin Kamarul Asri, matric number 10DIB 18F 1011. And finally, our last group member, Muhammad Farhad bin Johari, matric number 10DIB 18F 1013. Next, this slide represents the table of content of Board of Director. It includes Board of Director definition and general knowledge that related to it. Second, article. Article is about the wrongdoing of the CEO or BOD. After that, article analyzation. It is information or knowledge that we can get that related to our side topic, which is function and role of Board of Director. Other than that, consequences and precautions of the article. Apart from that, roles of BOD, which is the real or true responsibility of the Board of Director. Last but not least, reference. For the next slide, I will talk about the Board of Director. Board of Director definition is an group of elected individuals that represent the shareholder. Board of Director may consist of any number, which most including from 3 to 30 members. Board of Director is responsible for helping a corporation set broad goals, supporting executive duty, and ensure the company has an adequate, well-managed resources.
I will continue the presentation for our group. Here is our article. It is about Boster Holding sue former chairman, ex-MD and 4 former directors for 6.4 million euro. Article analyzation. First, 6 ex-board of director of Boster Holding were sued by Boster Holding for breach their fiduciary obligation as a director. Second, Boster Holding also seek 6 of them to jointly pay sum of 6.4 million euro equitable compensation for general damage, exemplary damage, aggravated and punitive damage and other costs. And last, in the article, Boster Holding has begun on a massive debt restructuring exercise, which will include the sale of non-core assets to improve its long-term financial position. Of the article, a conflict of interest arises when 6 of them choose personal gain over the duties to an organization in which they are a stakeholder or exploit their position for personal gain in some way. Ex-board of director were caught for breach their fiduciary obligation as director. This action may tarnish the reputation of Boster Holding and give bad image toward the company. When Boster Holding has a bad reputation, the investor will not investing in their company as it may lead to their losses. Boster Holding may have financial unstable when the company bear a debt amount 7.9 billion ringgit Malaysia. Okay, now for the next slide is about precaution of the article. As a precaution, Boster Holding must create procedure and guidelines for the management of conflict of interest. The whole company, employer and employee, must comply with the procedure and guidelines from the Boster Holding. Next, 6 board of directors must aware of their roles and responsibility in the company. It is because bad or good decision of their judgment may lead to their company image and reputation. And the third is about the Boster Holding need to audit every transaction that has been made throughout the company. It is because to ensure the transparency of every transaction that has been made in the company. Now for the roles of Board of Director. First, Board of Director must carry out proper purpose and act in good faith for the benefit of the company. A board of director cannot use their power as a director for private gain, as they will be considered an improper purpose. A board of director also must act honestly and sincerely without an intention to deceive. A decision made in good faith is a decision for the benefit of the company as a whole and not merely for personal interest. The second role of the board of director is to avoid any conflict of interest. A board of director must never use his position to gain an advantage for themselves and cause disadvantage to the company, like the article about the Boston Holding. A board of director also should have attitude of integrity, because if conflict of interest occur, it will give bad image toward the company, and no investor would like to invest in a company that has a problem like the Boston Holding. And the last role of board of director is to exercise reasonable care, skill and diligence. A board of director must possess skill and diligence with knowledge to ensure that the company are well established, where a director uses skill devotedly in the affair of the company. A board of director also must display of highest level of care, skill and diligence and use their knowledge while performing a director duty. I think that's all from us. Thank you.